At just over 2,100 square feet, you are not going to believe what this home packs in here. Welcome to Heritage Ranch. Today we'll be touring the Monet floor plan offered by Highland Homes. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor, and your new home connection to the Sherman community. When you walk into this single-story floor plan and notice these vaulted ceilings, immediately this home feels custom, and you're not going to believe all of the extras that it has. Just this open feel with all the windows on the sidewall, allowing all the natural light in, and Highland has really upped their game with this home that they're building in Heritage Ranch. This recessed TV space with the floating shelves and storage under it, not utilizing the square footage you need in your living room, but still allowing for so much of your entertainment equipment to be displayed while still having plenty of space for your living room, which opens into this amazing kitchen. So we talk about islands a lot, waterfall edge islands. Oh, look at this island. It's a different color than the cabinets. But in the Monet floor plan, this rounded island that we're going to get to is going to blow your mind. First, let's take a look at some extra built-ins. This is an option that you can add to the Monet floor plan with Highland Homes. Just almost doubles your cabinet space, and you can choose a great tile backsplash to add an accent into your living dining area. Walking into the kitchen, you've got the door out to the patio, which we will get to at the end of this video. But turning around and looking into the utilization of this corner space, the rounded island with the edge that comes out so you have plenty of space to tuck your bar stools away. I can just imagine having breakfast or lunch here regularly. You get to choose your countertops with Highland Homes, also your cabinet color. This floor plan, this one that they've built, is very neutral with white cabinets. You can add hardware if you want to. In Heritage Ranch, they do have natural gas, so you can have a gas range if you choose. You also get to choose your built-in appliances at Heritage Ranch, from stainless, or if you would prefer black, just whatever your theme or color palette would be in your new home. Looking back into the living room, again with those vaulted ceilings, it almost feels New Englandish to me. Love this view that you can see all of the natural light that comes in through the windows. You choose your hardware, from your faucets to your drawer pulls to all of your door handles throughout, just whatever custom you want to make to what you want your home to look like. Heritage Ranch is a new neighborhood in Sherman, and Highland Homes is going to be the first builder to build homes out there. They're super excited to be there, and they're making some great move-in deals right now. Here is the large pantry for this floor plan, shelved from the floor to ceiling. And again, talking about those built-in appliances, oven and microwave are standard at Heritage Ranch, so not mounted above the stove. Around the corner, you come into the primary bedroom. Sometimes you see these and they'll have an accent wall in them, or they'll be painted up almost all the way to the top of the ceiling. This gives you an idea of essentially a blank canvas, what this home looks like from the start. The pop-out window gives you a little extra seating in the primary bedroom. In the main living and kitchen area, there was vinyl. In the bedrooms of this home, they have chosen carpet, which some people prefer carpet in their bedrooms, and tile in the wet areas. The primary bathroom can be customized to your liking. This one is very neutral. You get 2 sinks. You pick your faucet finishes. This one has a nice shiny chrome look. You could do more of a brushed nickel if you want to, or darker faucets. The freestanding tub is an accent piece for the bathroom, as well as a serving as a bathtub, plus the walk-in shower with the seamless glass. Just a classic feel in this bathroom, and I love the wood look tile. Primary closet is spacious. You could raise these hang bars a bit to where you could get upper and lower if you needed that option, if you have that many hang clothes. But for 2,100 square feet, I think this primary closet is a great use of space at the back of the bathroom. Swinging back around and coming through, again, you can see all the under sink storage. You actually have 4 drawers, usable drawers for storage, and this nice picture window that allows that natural light in. You can see there's a privacy fence there beside it. Obviously, you would frost that or potentially add plantation shutters. Shutters can be added to all of these windows. That is something when you meet with your sales counselor, they will go through all the list of things that you would like to add, your colors, your flooring choices, all of those things let you feel like you have truly built a custom home with Highland Homes. Working back to the front, like I told you, this house is deceiving as a single story. You have a full-size laundry area, washer, dryer, plus this built-in nook cubby for just extra storage, almost a mud-like area. Laundry is built for top load washer or front load, which I really appreciate that Highland thinks about these things. Sometimes you open a laundry door and it wouldn't work with a front load washing machine. Across the hall is an office area. So again, this floor plan is about 2,160 square feet. We saw the primary bedroom, living room, an office or flex area, and then we start working into the bedrooms. This is your second bedroom, pretty standard size, nice window, higher ceilings. You can put a ceiling fan in, and it has its own private vanity area where you get the sink, drawers, under storage. Again, you can make this as custom or as neutral as you want it to be. And when you turn and go through, you're actually going to come into a Jack and Jill style bathroom. Toilet, tub and sink combination there. I love the white tile they chose on that tub surround. It's very classic. And out the other side is the second vanity and your third bedroom. So we are at the front of the house at this point. We have seen 3 bedrooms plus an office. You would never think this much square footage is in this house from the front. It is a single story. This bedroom is a nice square room, large double window, double doored closet with plenty of space for hanging clothes. And you can see there through the doorway how close we are to the front door. Entryway is gorgeous. When you walk in through the front door, you're welcomed to high ceilings, some architectural archways. You can choose your flooring. So if you want that wood look, this is vinyl flooring. You could also do carpet or you could do tile. And just to the right, when you come in through the front door, is actually a complete ensuite setup where you have a full bath. All of these bedrooms are pretty standard size. They would fit a queen size bed, side tables, a dresser, and they each have a great size closet. So 4 bedrooms, an office, cathedral ceilings. The Monet floor plan is one for you to definitely check out at Heritage Ranch. Let me know if you want to connect.